this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So we have some new dies in our store, and you can check our store for the new release. And today I want to feature in this die. So this die set is the cake stand and also the crochets. So you will have these two crochets, and also this is the for you to make the cake, and this is to make the stand cake stand, and also here is the macarons. So they are so sweet, and I made two samples yesterday. So these are the ones I made. So these are the ones I made that I used the acetate to make the crochets, and I also use this jelly pen to draw on the acetate to make the snowy background, and add some add some this noodle jobs, this the glitter jobs to make it a little glitter. And also for this one, I first use this white embossing powder to make it a little thicker, and also then I use this glitter jobs to make it sparkle, and I also add some sequins here. So these sequins are also in our store that I showed you before that I made a mix my own, right? So I just pick some from pick the sequins from this, and pick some to decorate the cake, and I add a little bow here. So hope you like this. And about the size, it's 6 centimeters wide and about 11 centimeters long. Sorry, this ruler don't have the inches. So this one is also almost 6 centimeters wide, and that's about 8.5 centimeters long. So I think these are super cute, and I posted it on our Instagram yesterday, and many of you like that. And there was a lady asked me if I can do a video of how to make these, and I think it's I feel so proud that you like the projects I made. And yes, I want to do a tutorial today about how to make these ones. So I cut out some part already, so I didn't use this part. So I only cut these out to make it like this one. So I'm thinking about making a blue cake stand, and also I'm thinking about adding some blue sequins here. So I use this color, and I'm also using this sequin mix here. So I will pick some sequins from this set and use it on the cake. So this is the acetate that I have cut out. So these are the ones that I cut out. So first I use this watermark watermark stamp pad to emboss the this icicles. Sorry, I don't know how to call this one, but to emboss this part, and I embossed it twice to make it a little thicker than the normal. So so it will be more three-dimensional when you add it on the cake. And here is the acetate. So I use the pen to draw the dots on the acetate, and it has no rhythm, or you just draw it as you want. So it's very simple, but I think it turns out very great that it looks like a snowy background. And now I'm adding the acetate on the back of the cake stand. I think it's better, to add a white cardstock over the at the back of the cake stand, so it will be more sturdy. And now I'm adding the cake part to the front of it. And now I'm adding this part to the cake. So it's not hard to make. And to be honest, it will not take too much time, I think. And now this part is ready. And now I'm picking the sequins. I'm pouring the sequins out so that I can choose the sequins I want later. And yeah, I'm pouring more. And now I'm adding the glitter drops on the cake. So in this way, when you put your sequins on the cake, it will stuck on the cake, and you don't need to add any more glue here. And I really love this glitter drop. It always makes your project sparkle. And this is my favorite tool in these days. Yeah, I'm adding the sequins. So for the sequins, you can add, what color. You can add whatever the color you want and whatever the sequins you want to add on it. So it will be different, since everyone's taste is different, right? So I think this is the part that which will make the cake more yummy. And you can do it in any themes you want, add, or make it in any colors you want, and then add the sequins on add the sequins of any kind of sequins you have in your stash. So it didn't take so it's much fun, I think, because personally I have a lot of fun adding these sequins. And I think I will do a gingerbread version later, because I got this inspiration from the Instagram that I posted yesterday, that a lady asked me if I can do a gingerbread version.
Okay,
So
now
this one is almost ready, and I need to
and you can
finish
see
it
how
when
it looks
it
like.
is dry.
So I hope you like the one I made. Yeah, I'm thinking of adding another bowl here. And also, if you want to make it more sturdy, you can add a white cardstock. You can cut a white cardstock of this cake stand, and then stick it at the back, so it will be more sturdy. This one I use this white back white cardstock, so it's more sturdy. So if you have any questions, please leave me comment, and I answer you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.